Hey everyone, is your transmission acting weird? Are you experiencing delayed shifting or stuck in limp mode? If your obd2 scanner shows P0862 transmission control module TCM communication circuit high, you're in the right place. This means the TCM is not properly communicating with the powertrain control module PCM, leading to transmission problems. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0862 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it fast. Let's dive in. What is P0862? The P0862 trouble code appears when the PCM detects abnormally high voltage in the communication circuit of the transmission control module TCM. This issue can cause gear shifting problems, transmission slipping, or even prevent the car from moving properly. Common symptoms of P0862. Check engine light cell or transmission warning light. Harsh or delayed gear shifts. Transmission slipping or stuck in one gear limp mode. Car won't accelerate properly, reduced fuel efficiency. Now let's talk about sensor locations so you can find and fix the problem quickly. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them. To diagnose P0862, check these key components. Transmission control module TCM location, usually found on the transmission housing or mounted near the engine bay firewall. Function, controls gear shifting and communicates with the PCM. Powertrain control module PCM location, typically found in the engine bay near the firewall or under the dashboard. Function, manages engine and transmission operations communicating with the TCM. Transmission range sensor TRS location, near the transmission shift linkage or inside the transmission. Function, sends gear position signals to the TCM. Transmission wiring harness and connectors location, runs between the TCM, PCM, and transmission components. Function, transfers electrical signals between modules, battery and ground connections. Location, battery terminals and chassis ground points near the engine. Function, provides stable power supply to electronic modules. Common causes of P0862, faulty transmission control module. If the TCM is damaged, it may send high voltage signals. Shorted or broken wiring in the TCM-PCM circuit. Damaged wires can cause excessive voltage buildup. Corroded or loose connectors. If the pins are corroded, signals can be disrupted. PCM or TCM programming issues. A software bug or incorrect programming can lead to high voltage readings. Weak or failing battery or alternator. Unstable voltage can interfere with transmission communication. How to fix P0862? Step 1. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, frayed, or loose wires in the TCM-PCM circuit. Step 2. Check the battery and charging system. Ensure the battery provides stable voltage, 12.6V plus when off, 13.5V plus when running. Step 3. Scan for additional codes. Other transmission codes can give more clues to the root issue. Step 4. Check transmission fluid condition. Low or dirty fluid can lead to internal electrical faults. Step 5. Reprogram or reset the PCM-TCM. Disconnect the battery for 10 minutes, then reconnect and test. Step 6. Replace the TCM or PCM if necessary. If all else fails, a faulty module may need replacement. Final words. The P0862 trouble code means the transmission control module is sending abnormally high voltage signals to the PCM, leading to shifting problems. By checking the wiring, battery, and module communication, you can diagnose and fix the problem before it gets worse. Watch these related videos next. P0590, cruise control multifunction input a circuit high. P0591, cruise control multifunction input a circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.